We have a lot of trees in Florida and a lot of storms. Here's what you need to know about which trees are your responsibility. At Round Table Realty Property Management, we perform regular drive-by inspections for you as a homeowner. We're looking for trees hanging over your roof, your pool if you have one, or your neighbor's fence line. In Florida, as a homeowner, you're responsible for trimming and maintaining the trees on your property. Any branches that hang over your neighbor's property are their responsibility. However, if a tree on your property is visibly unhealthy or dying, you could be liable if that tree were to fall on your neighbor's property. When we do our drive-by inspections, we will let you know immediately if we see a tree that we think is in danger of falling. At the same time, if we see a tree on your neighbor's property that looks visibly unhealthy or dying, we will then send a certified letter to the homeowner or the property manager of that property. We'll ask them to take it down or trim it for the safety of their property and yours. Reach out to us anytime with any questions. I think you'll be surprised at our level of service. I'm Cindy Browning with Round Table Realty Property Management, putting people before property.